Okay. I have a lot of good birds. What? No. At least I get more rock. Look, I mean, I'm gonna be. Massive upgrades. What? Big and Frankenstein. Oh, yes. Oh, good. Cheese. I want more bonus. Oh, yes. I want a lot of bonus. Frankenstein. This is the best. Okay. I need something good. I need more. Go, please, I want more. Yay. Okay, slimes, I must stay there. Ugh. In there. Wait. Please not Sparky. Not Play. Not Sparky again. Bonus. Please, more bonus. Oh! Okay. This is tired. Spike. Glow. Orca. Okay. This is sad. Two birds. This place could be endless. Spidey? Who's even Spidey? Bye-bye, Glow. And now it's Spidey. Weird name. This is like lots of minutes. Yeah, don't ask me why. Oh, nothing. Please, I want something huge or big or something like blah 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 blah. Oh, like something. Please, I want something good. Oh, wait, almost there. Okay. Wait. Okay, I need to test. What is? What test was? A lot of sunsets. Lucas. No, quick test. Wait, which upgrade should I need? Oh, cheese. I like cheese. Cheese. Items. It's big dice. I think that's big. Oh, I think that is something good. Big Squirty? Yes, big Squirty. Wow. Squirty. Okay. Let's boost. Thank you, boost. Oh, I gotta feed them. Feed. Feed. I need something. Great. Random. Fries. Please remember. I want something like Spidey. Because like, I'm wasting. Oh, I forgot. This island looks familiar. Cave. After cave, it's heaven, right? It's gonna be heaven. Hide again? No. Oh. These are better. Loot. Okay. If I loot. Income. Luck boost. Next. Taco. No. I don't want taco. Wait back. Can you go up? Yeah. No, not that important. These slimes are useless. Let me just get in. Oh, I want a big... What did I just get? Big spike? Oh, okay. Wow, big spike is the best! Yeah, I can... Trust me, it's good. Mushy? Who's even mushy? Now the slime's cooking. Two, four, eight. Are you serious right now, bro? Like, serious right now, bro? Please, I want something good. I want the most useful one. Again! Great! Expecting them. Oh, fine. Bye bye, Spidey. Sorry. You're not that useful. I know, I got a lot. I know, my slimes are not that useful. Please, I want more books. Hey, cheese. X. I'm almost cave. Please. Yep, I know. X is heaven. Okay, guys. Bye for. Okay, guys. Okay, bye.